BITFI. With the BITFI wallet, setting up a cryptocurrency hardware wallet has never been easier. BITFI's single-user dashboard and Wi-Fi-enabled device can be set up and secured in 5 simple steps. All you need is an internet-enabled device like a computer or a tablet, a Wi-Fi connection, and your BITFI device. Step 1. Set up your dashboard. On your computer or smartphone, go to bitfi.com/Knox to set up your dashboard. You will enter a name, an email, and a password. Once you have filled out the information and clicked the Register button, you will receive an email from BITFI asking you to confirm your email. Clicking on the Confirm Email link takes you directly back to the online BITFI login area. Step 2. Connecting the BITFI device to Wi-Fi. Turn on your BITFI device by pressing and briefly holding the power button. Click on the Open Wallet button from the startup screen to enter the wallet. Click on the Wi-Fi connection link to connect the device to the internet. Choose the Wi-Fi signal you wish to use, enter the required password, and click Enter on your device keypad. Step 3. Syncing the BITFI device with the dashboard. When you log into your new online dashboard using your registration details, you will be immediately asked to sync your device with your dashboard by entering your device ID. From your BITFI device, click the Open Wallet button and then click on the View Wallet ID button. A Wallet ID display window will show a 6-character wallet ID. Type the 6-character wallet ID into your online initialization window. From your BITFI device, click on the OK button to close the wallet ID window. From your online dashboard, click the blue Send Request button. You will then receive a pop-up on your device asking if you want to add new address. Click Yes, Continue. Step 4. Securing your assets. The most important step in setting up your BITFI device is in securing it. The BITFI device requires a 2-step security process: a SALT, which encrypts your passphrase, and the passphrase itself. Your SALT requires a minimum 8-character string, and the passphrase requires a minimum 30-character string. Enter your unique SALT. A SALT can be a phone number, email address, or social security number. In other words, something you already know and don't have to memorize. Enter your unique passphrase. For highest security, we recommend the diceware method, but you can make up your own phrase. Click the Enter button on your device keyboard. From the BITFI device, a request window will ask you to re-enter your SALT and your passphrase again, exactly as you previously entered. This will ensure you have entered the SALT and the passphrase correctly. Re-enter your unique SALT and passphrase. Click Enter from your device keyboard. Click OK from your Success window. Step 5. Finalizing the sync and secure process. Following the instructions on your online wallet dashboard, log out and log back into your online wallet dashboard. Congratulations! You have just set up one of the world's most technically sophisticated hardware wallets ever developed.